I'm your host for today, and I will show you how to deal with Judgment Bird. Now, when you're in his containment, hold block to avoid getting strangled. The information about this abnormality is that we have discovered the ego gift for it, and the attacks for it. Let me show the ego gift. The ego gift gives you a move called Just TPM. I will show you the move now. When using this move, it makes a sound like this. When this abnormality breaks out, it does 1 out of 2 moves. One where he does a slash, then does spike grab, and one where he does spike grab. If you get hit by either one of these moves, you die instantly. To deal with this abnormality properly, go up the stairs, climb up the building, and activate Rabbit Protocol. I will show you where the button is at. This abnormality is the sibling punishing bird. There's still one more bird we have to go over, but I will go over the punishing bird story. Once upon a time, 3 happy birds lived in a warm and lush forest. Longbird weighed the sins of the creatures that entered the forest into the peace. Longbird's scales could measure every sense and were fair and just. That's all for today. More information about other abnormalities will be made soon.